There it is. You can tell by my face, that's the highest 6 litre we've ever had. There it is. You can tell by my face, 392, that's the highest 6 litre we've ever had. It does have the famous TK camshaft. It has our V3 head with an update on the valve geometry. So we've tuned up our new one recently. It also has all our components, ramjet 3, triple step headers, and it has our CNC ported manifold with radius rods. So pretty exciting, guys. It's the right recipe. Customers listened to all of us and got everything done. 392 at 6,900. It does have hard tyres on it. We're not hiding that. It's the customer's tyres. We did feel them. They are Kumos. You can video them. They are still roadworthy, but they are hard. And they are up to 38 PSI, which is the normal standard for dynoing. So pretty exciting, guys. That's the capability of the CNC Heads V3 with the update on the exhaust and the intake geometry, CNC manifold, triple step headers, and ramjet 3. It's the highest flowing air tank on the market, and it's pretty nicely done with our cool coil over covers to top it off to make the engine bay look pretty cool. Some exciting news as well. We do have our infill panels coming. So I apologise, they're taking a while, but we have a lot on. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, and who knows, maybe we'll get an LS3 out there and we'll hit the 400. You never know.